Hey guys, welcome back to Avion Imagery. We're going to be flying a mission today in Huber Heights, but first, we got to make sure the old Safari's up for the ride. Good to go. A little bit about this job. So we're actually contracted through a drone pilot network, so I won't be able to show you a whole lot of the footage from today, but I can show you a little bit about how the mission's conducted. This is in the Class C airspace for Dayton International, so we did have to get a LAANC clearance. We're good up to 200 feet. So basically all we're going to be doing is photographing a large shopping center. All right, we are on site. We're going to get suited up. We got about an hour left on our LAANC clearance, so we'll get this drone in the sky and get our photos. All right, guys, that's it for this mission. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe. We got lots of drone content coming at you.